Thanks to Allrecipes member Jay Coulson for submitting this best ever party appetizer recipe. One member comments, "This was a hit. Everyone loved it. Definitely best to make a day ahead so the flavors can blend." Let's begin this recipe by cutting 12 ounces of goat cheese into 1-inch thick slices. Arrange the slices in a single layer on a large platter. Drain a cup of oil-packed sun-dried tomatoes and chop them. Chop a cup of pitted black olives. You can use regular or Kalamata olives. Peel 3 cloves of garlic and cut them into large pieces. Finely chop some fresh basil leaves. You'll need 4 tablespoons. Finely chop some fresh rosemary leaves. You'll need 2 tablespoons. Drizzle 3 tablespoons of olive oil over the cheese. And then sprinkle evenly with the chopped sun-dried tomatoes. The chopped black olives. And the chopped rosemary and basil. Insert the garlic halves onto toothpicks. And then tuck the garlic on the toothpicks into the cheese, distributing the flavor throughout the mixture. Cover the platter loosely with plastic wrap and marinate in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours or overnight. When ready to serve, remove the toothpicks with the garlic. Serve the marinated cheese with sliced French bread. Some of our members also like to use this best ever party appetizer as a topping for sandwiches or for grilled fish, and both sound delicious.